Hey guys, okay, today I am showing you my favorite wireless mic. This is the DJI 2 wireless mic. I use it every single day. It is fantastic, and here's why. The DJI Mic 2, it is my favorite wireless mic. I use it daily. I have the one with the one receiver and one transmitter. That's why it's the pouch and not the box. I love it though. Let's go ahead and show you what it comes with. First of all, I love this pouch. It keeps everything nice and neat. Let's go ahead and get everything out here. It comes with a wind guard that's going to go right on top of your transmitter or your microphone. It also comes with a USB-C connector. It comes with a lightning connector, and it comes with the cover. And I'm going to go ahead and show you where those go on the microphone in just a minute. It comes with an auxiliary cord that I use to connect to my DSLR camera. And this also is a dual charger. I love that it charges both the transmitter and the receiver with one cord. That is fantastic. So that's everything besides the transmitter and the receiver. Now, this is great. It is small. It is easy to use. It also has this piece down here that attaches it to most cameras, which I think is fantastic. Then you just go ahead and slide the little thing out right there. And this is where I put my lightning connector on, and that allows me to connect it to my phone and use it with my iPhone. And it also has the USB-C connector right here as well. It has an on-off button over here. Really easy to use. So let's go ahead to the transmitter. This is your microphone. I love it. It is fantastic. Not only does it have a clip, but it has a really strong magnet that you can attach it with the magnet, which I think is fantastic. This microphone works great. It has an 820-foot range, and I've tried it out. It works fantastic. It is crystal clear. It is noise canceling. Now, here is some footage I have front center that was super loud. You can barely even hear people. Put your canopy back. You're gonna make sure that it's in line with the handlebar. Make sure your handlebar is in the lowest position. So that was in a conference center. Like I said, I use this daily. It works so great with canceling out the noise around you. Really great microphone. Really great option. It's nice and small. Works fantastic. I love it. I think you should get it if you're looking for a wireless mic, because this comes with everything you need to have the best sound, I promise you. Okay, so I hope I gave you enough information to convince you that this wireless mic is awesome. I love it. It works great for me, and I think it'll work great for you too.